Hello everyone, today in this video I will teach you how you can download Fallout 4 on your Windows computer. So first we need to visit a browser. I'm using Chrome. You can use any browser you want, and then search Steam. And after searching for Steam, go to the first result and you need to first install Steam. So Steam is a platform where you can download all sort of games. So you just tap this install Steam button and again install Steam, and then you will find this option. Just I'm getting this option here, but in your case it might be somewhere else, but you know where you can find the download. Okay, download application. Just tap here and then you will have to tap next. Choose your preferred language. Next, choose your browsing where you want to install Steam, and at the end just tap the install button. But I'm not going to install it because I have already done it. So you just install it, and this is how it looks after installing. Okay, this is the Steam logo. So after you have installed it, just open Steam and then you will have to create your account. So just create the account and then you will be redirected to this interface. All right, this is Steam after you create an account, all sort of things. And from here you just need to tap this option called store, and from this search menu type Fallout 4. So this is the Fallout 4 game. Just select the game and you need to type your date, as this game is 18 plus, just to view the page. So after you have done the things, you tap this button, add to cart, and then view my cart, continue to payment, and here you will have to fill up your information or your billing information and continue. So after you have successfully purchased the game, your game will be visible on your Steam library. So this is where you will find a game. So as you can see, I have these games. So your game will be visible somewhere here, and then you will find this install option like this. So after you have successfully purchased the game, just tap the install option and your game will be installed on your computer through Steam. So yeah, that's how you download Fallout 4 on your computer. Thanks for watching.